Graph 3x minus 2y equals 2. This equation is in standard form. To graph it, we first need to write it in slope-intercept form. Let's rewrite the equation. 3x minus 2y equals 2. To write this equation in slope-intercept form, we need to get the variable y by itself. So first subtract 3x from each side. 3x minus 2y is negative 2y. 2 and minus 3x are unlike terms, so they cannot be combined. We have negative 3x plus 2 on the right. Now we need to divide each side by negative 2 to get y by itself. Don't forget to divide each term on the right by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1 times y, which is the same as y. Negative 3x divided by negative 2 is 3/2 x. And 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. This equation is almost in slope-intercept form. We need to have a plus sign in front of the y-intercept. Remember that minus 1 is the same as plus negative 1. So we can rewrite the equation to be y equals 3/2 x plus negative 1. Now that the equation is in slope-intercept form, we can identify the slope and y-intercept. The slope is 3/2. And the y-intercept is negative 1. Because we know that the y-intercept is negative 1, we can plot a point at 0, negative 1. Now let's use the slope to identify the rise and the run. Remember, slope equals the rise over the run. The slope is the fraction 3/2, so the numerator 3 is the rise, and the denominator 2 is the run. We can use the rise and the run to plot a point that is 2 units right and 3 units up from 0, negative 1. Finally, we need to draw a line through the 2 points. This is the graph of 3x minus 2y equals 2.